Hello, guys. Good evening. I feel like I'm on the news. Today is Sunday, and that means it's study day. It's always the last day of the weekend pretty much. I actually have tomorrow off, which is nice, but for most people, it's like the start of the week, so we usually have a lot of things to do Sunday night. And tonight, my Sunday night is a little bit more exciting because I'm actually having a study date with Miss Katie Mack, and we're gonna cook dinner together and study, and I'm basically gonna film a night in my life. You guys have been like, where is Katie in all the videos? So we finally get to have Katie. This video is sponsored by HelloFresh. I'm so excited to be working with them. I literally have loved their stuff for so long. I did not know how to cook until I got my HelloFresh subscription. So I just grabbed one of my little dinners, put it in my bag here, and Katie and I are gonna cook it up. We're kind of starving right now, so we're probably gonna cook first. Katie is in grad school, for those of you guys who don't know. She's getting her master's right now, and I am in nursing school. So it's perfect. We can still study together, which is really fun, and it'll probably feel like we're in college again because we used to always cook together and then study together. Let's go see Miss Mack. Oh my god, there's a fire. Oh, hi! It's a new child.
Come here.
Do we have a name?
I like Penelope.
Oh, that's cute. Did you see my suggestions?
No.
Gotta look at my suggestions.
We like Penelope.
Penelope's really cute.
We like Phoebe.
Oh, I love Phoebe.
Henry likes Harlow, but I don't think so.
Oh my gosh. Hi.
She
licked
him.
it. Clean you guys off there. Can I hold her? Oh, she is little.
Sound asleep.
Hi. I'm not very good at holding dogs.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I don't know. How does one hold
It's okay.
It's
okay, little lady. She's a licker. She's a licker. You're not gonna like that.
I don't know if I like the licky.
Yeah, you're not
But
gonna.
if it's a puppy lick, it's kind of cute. How are you? Everyone thought you were dead, Katie Mack. How does it feel to be back?
I'm alive.
I kind of like Phoebe. Wait, look at me. Look at me.
Yeah, but it's like I've been trying to color Phoebe all day, and it's like not rolling off the tongue.
And his best friend's dog is also named
Oh,
Phoebe.
do you want it to start with a P?
Oh no.
You should look at my suggestions. Phoebe really licked up the screen. Gotta clean you guys off.
No,
it's
Piper.
It's wet.
These are the most basic. Lola, Olive, Ivy, Coco, and Piper.
Piper's cute, you guys.
No.
So cute.
Huh?
Tomorrow.
Is it on tomorrow? It's on Tuesday
Hello,
last
baby.
It's on tomorrow.
Oh my gosh, I love her
It
bed.
usually does. It usually is.
It looks like it's like a designer bed. Oh, it came with it. Poppy's cute, but
Oh,
it's
that's
like
horse
the.
at the barn.
Oh, your guys' kitchen is nice. All right, we're gonna be cooking with a pup here.
Oh,
I asked
a lot
Maddie,
going
I'm like, do you have anything going on this week? She's like, or I'm like, what are your life updates? She's like, oh, not me, like nothing going on.
Oh, 2 weeks ago I went to the ER.
Oh,
So
what
much,
happened to
so
you?
much happened.
And we have a puppy.
And now we have a
puppy. We have a child.
Name, oh my god,
to
we
be
can clickbait. Today we are making the Southwest stuffed zucchini boats with pico de gallo, avocado crema, and cilantro. It's very up our alley. I feel like we are back in college because we used to do this all the time together. Chef it up. We're gonna get all the ingredients. Everything's pre-measured, which, oh, some onion. Oh, don't eat that.
Not for puppies.
Not for you, cutie.
Watch out, little lady.
I actually made the other one for lunch today. It was really fun. I impressed my parents with it. So yeah, there's way less food waste, which is super nice.
What are you microwaving?
Pancake in a cup. See, Maddie needs a HelloFresh subscription.
Penelope just jumped out. She went running. Look at her, she got the bees.
First, we're gonna wash our hands. These are super nice because you can cook them really fast. This one's a 35-minuter. They also have 20-minute meals. We only have time for the short things. We got the vegetarian pack, but they do have a bunch of different options, including like low carb, pescatarian, vegetarian. They have the most options of any meal kit. Whatever your name is helping. Penny, do you like that name?
Oh my god.
You take over the sauce, because that's your usual. I'm gonna do the Zooks. I never know which knife to choose. You guys have so many. Oh, if you want the tomato, this one.
Yeah.
Cool. We on the same page. Katie and Kiara cooking it up.
And a cute
little no-name puppy.
Penny.
That's gonna be the question of the day. It's gonna be, what should we name the dog?
She better have a name.
Also, I don't think we ever clarified that this is not actually our dog. This is Katie's boyfriend's dog.
She's mine too.
Well, sure.
She's like 3/4 Henry's and 1/4 mine. Or maybe like 4/5 Henry's and 1/5 mine.
Okay, I think that's fair. This is our finished product. We're gonna plate her up and then we'll be ready to go. We got some pico, some sauces over here, guac. Katie mixed the Cholula and sour cream together, which was genius. And we're gonna top her up. Apparently this is one of Maddie's favorite dishes. We've already gotten the 10 out of 10 stars. I've never had this one, which is crazy because I feel like I've had so many of the HelloFresh, but they have so many meals. They just keep it fun. I think it was good. Here is our reveal of the meal. This is the last time we ate a meal at this table. This is the big taste test. What do we rate this meal?
That's very good.
Ooh, it's spicy. I like it. It's really good. It's kind of like our ideal meal, huh?
Big fan.
If you guys want to try HelloFresh for yourself, go to HelloFresh.com and use my code Madisen14 to get 14 free meals and free shipping.
Bye, little baby. Next time I see you, you'll have a name. She's probably gonna be all large and in charge.
We're also thinking about Daphne, Phoebe, Daphne, Penelope / Penny. Comment down below what your thoughts are.
What is this little face? Tell me what this little face says to you.
I like them all. They're all cute.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, stop.
I love you so much.
Bye. Bye.
Thanks for dinner.
Thanks for having me.
Wait, look at Louie in the background.
Wait, where? Lucifer, you can't even see. Louis, be jealous. You're my god cat. You're always my fave, okay? It's okay.
You're a little model. Did you know that?
Don't you say it, I can't hear it. I get defensive when I think you
I just got home. Katie and I actually ended up not having our study date, which is fine. She had to work all day today, so she's not really in the study mood. And I have a quiz due. I am gonna go into my loft, my little study cave, and I'm gonna go grind it out. The other thing that I'm doing is I am applying for a position, leadership roles. I wrote up the entire draft and my mom proofread it, so I'm hopefully gonna get that submitted tonight as well. I will have crossed off so much on my list if I can get those things done, and I'll be so happy. I just submitted my application. I feel so good to have that done with. I did 3 drafts, turned it in. I feel pretty good about it, but also I'm not like attached to getting the position. I'm pretty busy how it is, so I'm not gonna be like crushed apart. I'll just use my minimal time for something else in my life. But now I'm gonna do my quiz because it's late. Like it's literally 10:10, so I don't have very long. It's timed for 1 hour. It's open book and open note. I was gonna study for it, but honestly, I think it's about diabetes and thyroidism, and I have like a general knowledge, probably because I convinced myself at one point that I had both of those conditions. So I feel like I have a good basis of knowledge. Here we go. I'm gonna take my quiz.
but you late to the party.
So bizarre. It didn't tell me my quiz score. Usually after you submit it, it like automatically tells you your score, even though it won't show the answers. But I'm like, what did I get? Well, at least it's done. It's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm like, do I have time to do anything else? Probably not. I should probably just like watch a show and have a chill night and get to bed early. Let's go get ready for bed. Tomorrow I'm gonna do more studying, like thorough studying with my whiteboard and everything, because I need to drill into my brain some concepts. Charge all the devices.
But if you're telling me that you found me out, I hate to be the one to break the news, but you're late to the party.
Alright, you guys, we are officially ready for bed. The best part of the night. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really like chill, casual night, but sometimes that's how my nights are. It was super fun to hang with Katie and her roommates. I feel like I haven't seen them in forever, and so it was really good to hang out with them. I want to thank HelloFresh again for sponsoring this video. Make sure that you guys go to HelloFresh.com and use my code Madisen14 for 14 free meals and free shipping. I cooked HelloFresh for my parents for lunch today, and it was their first time trying it, and they were so impressed. So I seriously love them, and I think you guys will too. Don't forget, today's question of the day is going to be a name for Henry's dog. She's probably going to be named by the time you guys see this, but comment down below, especially the names that we suggested. Daphne, Phoebe, Penelope, Penny. If you like any of those, let us know down below. And I'll talk to you guys very soon. Good night.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said soon we'll be leaving this place, no life to find. How you been looking hell to find? I was still making up my mind.